Best day ever. Best day ever.
Be a good time, welcome to the high life. Jump right in and show you outside. Right now we're gonna live it up. Don't stop till you get it up.
Feel it, work it, move it. This is how we do it. Live it, breathe it, lose it. Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever.
It can't get better when we're together. It's now or never.
Best day ever.
Top down, black shades going yacht hopping. Rolex champagne, get them corks popping. Like bezels, I'm feeling like $1 billion billions. Living large, I'm in charge, feeling luscious. Look,
Grab it, go and get it. This is how we do it. Hear it, see it, dream it. Best day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. Did you already like this video? If not, you need to smash that button. This video is going to be an amazing video where I showcase another natural hair wig. And y'all, this one, you don't need any leave out, gel, glue, cornrows, nothing. It is such a cool invention. When I tell you the name of this brand is the right name, Innovative Weaves came through for your girls who like to be lazy and not do a whole lot of work. So the name of this beauty is Nicole. She's in length 18 and she's a thin part wig. And the cool thing about this particular unit is that you only need a slight bit of leave out if you desire to wear it that way, or you can wear it without leave out and have your scalp exposed and look like this unit grew right out of your scalp. And this particular wig has been patented, so you can only find it on their website. So now I'm going to show you all what the unit looks like installed without having washed it or anything, with the curls straight out of the package. So let's get to it. So I first start by putting on a black stocking cap, and then I pull the unit forward. And what I realized when I was installing this particular unit, and you all will see me with the side part later, but it is constructed for a middle part. So keep that in mind. You can wear with the side part, but I'll show you guys how to finesse that later. So after doing that, there are clips on each opposing side of the part. You're just going to open those clips, insert them close to your part, and then begin to lay the unit down. Now, there are some other things that you need to do in order to make it look natural, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like as is now with the curls, basic, nothing done. But y'all know we're gonna get it together. To be honest, when I first installed this unit, I was like, I don't know if this gonna work out. But as the install progressed, I watched different instructional videos. They actually offer those to their customers, showing you guys the right way to install the unit and the wrong ways. And after I followed those steps, I was like, okay, this worked out. So right now I'm just showing you all what the unit looks like from all angles with the curls straight out of the package. But the first step in order to make the unit look natural is to co-wash, define the curls. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna use my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner in order to condition this unit, define the curls with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and y'all, these curls are gonna pop. So I'm gonna let you all watch that process, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step. Oh, and I do want to mention that I didn't show this, but I did put the unit under water in order to make sure it was fully saturated, and then I applied the conditioner. So this is what the unit looks like with the conditioner. I'm gonna now rinse that out, only leaving a little bit to act as my styler, and then I'm gonna allow the unit to air dry overnight.
I'm real, better watch me go. I got the voice and I got that flow. For all the girls, gotta let them know. We the ones that run this show. We been around the block, not in it for the rock. I'm in it for my paper. And you ain't gonna make me stop. Got that vibe, got that vibe, yeah, I ain't petty. Looking fly, yeah, they ain't ready.
So it's the the next morning and the unit has gotten an opportunity to air dry overnight, I feel like this is the best way to make sure that your application is good and that it looks the most natural. So now it's time to install. So you need to first start off by doing a clean middle part, which I think mine could have been a little better. And this works a little different based on whether your hair is blown out or in its natural state. Now, you all know I have type 4 hair. So with my hair as is without being blown out, I don't necessarily have to tease my roots because I have kinky textured hair. So the clips are going to grip very well to my hair and anchor. But if your hair is blown out or a silkier texture, then it's a good idea to actually tease your roots and then insert the clips. So I just demonstrated what the teasing process looked like, but I didn't really need to do it for my texture, but I just wanted to show you guys. After doing that, just put on a stocking cap. You don't actually have to cornrow your hair and create any anchors. It's best if your hair is flat, but you need to make sure it's not sleek near the roots. So don't slick it down or anything. Don't apply gel near your roots. Leave it as is. So once again, there are clips near the part. So you're just going to open those up and then insert them into your hair, and your hair is going to act as an anchor. But if your hair is blown out, you need to tease it so then it stays in place and it won't actually slide. But you want to get it as close to your part as possible and try to make sure that your part is straight. Don't do a crooked part, side part. It needs to be a straight part. Once all the clips are closed and inserted into your hair, you're going to begin to tease the roots near the part of the unit, and that's going to help to make it natural and look like it's yours. And you will do this process on both sides of the part. You can use a fine-tooth comb or a small little baby hair comb, whichever works for you, or you can use a brush in order to tease near the closest part of the part.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna make some waves and make some moves. So make way, now I'm coming through. Let's go. I'm just on a mission, gonna take it to the top. I don't play no games, I'm a force that can't be stopped. Once I see that green light, I leave them in the dust. How you like this? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do, yeah. Oh, what I gotta do, yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna do, yeah. What I gotta do, yeah.
Another pro tip, I shared at the beginning that you don't need to apply gel near your roots. Well, my hair already had gel in the area near the parting area along the roots. And as a result of that, when I teased the hair, it caused flaking. So don't be like me, be better than me. So after that process, be sure to insert the combs in the back to ensure that the unit doesn't lift. And then you can go about fluffing the unit. Y'all know I like volume, big hair don't care girl over here. So I'm definitely going to be picking it out. But if you like it as is, then you can rock it as is and it's going to look so good on you.
It's like magic. Touchdown, victory lap, playing my song. Clap along, give me cheers with them pom-poms. I'm certified gold, can't do no wrong. I'm ticking, counting down like a time bomb. No doubt about it, I'm the best thing around. Better get ready, cause it's going down. So let me show you now what I'm all about. Just make it look so easy, just like that, to die. Ooh la la, just like that. Ooh la la, ooh la. Ooh la la, just like this. Ooh la la, to die. I got the magic touch. Ooh la, abracadabra, I got the magic touch. To die. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Ooh la, to die. Looking good, got my IG blowing up. On the throne, I'm the queen coming through my cup. Just like James Brown, swagger like a rock star. Number one, best in show, I'm an all-star. I got that sugar, I'm the best thing around. Better get ready, a new boss is in town. I'm here. So let me show you now what I'm all about. Just
Y'all, isn't this so bomb? I cannot wait to hear your feedback down below. So right now I'm going to show you all what the unit looks like with the side part. I shared earlier that the side part is not going to be as consistent because the unit was constructed for a middle part. So it is going to be longer on one side, but if you put it behind your ear, it helps to kind of hide the imbalance of the cut. But I feel like that kind of works in the end. Another good idea would be to stretch the length on one side using a blow dryer to make it look like the sides are even without having to cut it. So I'm just going to go through the same process I did with the middle part, with the side part, and then I'm going to follow it up by showing you all some styles. And then after that, I'm going to show you all what it looks like with leave out. So keep watching.
Show you now what I'm all about. Just make it look so easy, just like that today. Ooh la la, just like that. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, just like this. Ooh la la, today. I got the magic touch. Ooh la, abracadabra, I got the magic touch. Today.
So this is what I mean by blow drying one side in order to make sure that the cut is balanced. You could take this side and just blow dry it, stretch it out, and then it would look like it was made for a side part. So that's a nice little tip. So right now I'm going to show you all what the unit looks like with leave out. I'm only going to take a slight bit of my leave out, but be sure to use the technique that I've showed in my other video where I preset my hair overnight. That would be a much better blend. This blend is not the best, but I just want to show you all what the process looks like and also some styles. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Check the description box for all the links and specifications. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Are you ready for my new favorite thing? Got me smelling ear to ear, walking with my heels and chin. I can hear the drivers ring, then I make a church girl sing. And worry about a doggone thing. I'ma get the same energy. I know, girl, I'm so excited. Ooh, it really brings me joy. Makes me wanna clap my hands. Makes me wanna swing my hair. Makes me wanna do my dance. Time to go, make a move, get ready for my new favorite thing. Get this groove and let the rhythm rule. My new favorite thing. So satisfied, can't get you out my mind. My new favorite thing. Dynamite, electric light, out of sight. It seems to rush through my veins. My new favorite thing. I can get used to this. Let the camera capture it. Tell me how you're feeling it. Got everybody feeling it. Hit it like a good bass slide. Get really action packed. Beat the electric satellite. Ooh, it really brings me joy. Makes me wanna clap my hands. Yeah. Makes me wanna swing my hair. Makes me wanna do my dance. So powerful, electrical, so wonderful. Hey. My new favorite thing. Get this groove and let the rhythm rule. My new favorite thing. So satisfied, can't get you out my mind. My new favorite thing. Dynamite, electric light, out of sight. It seems to rush through my veins. My new favorite thing. Ooh, it really brings me joy. Makes me wanna clap my hands. Makes me wanna swing my hair. Makes me wanna do my dance. So powerful, electrical,